So HYXN looked at expensive PC cases and said, what if we give gamers glass, RGB, 7 fans, and just enough mystery to make Reddit start arguing?
Good job!
Meet the HYXN H1 ATX case, a dual-chamber mid-tower gaming case that comes pre-installed with 7 PWM ARGB fans, a Type-C front port, panoramic tempered glass, and support for ATX builds. Basically, it is the kind of case that makes your PC parts look like they are living inside a fish tank with rent. On paper, the H1 is trying very hard to win the budget case Olympic. Amazon says it supports up to 3x 360mm radiators, while Geisels lists it as a 5267L MIDI tower with room for ATX motherboards, GPUs up to 400mm, CPU coolers up to 170mm, and ATX power supplies up to 200mm deep. Translation: this thing has space. Your graphics card can stretch its legs like it just booked business class. Now, user feedback is actually pretty strong for the price. Amazon shows around 4.6 out of 5 stars from 235 ratings, while Amazon Germany shows about 4.3 from 288 ratings. Buyers praise the roomy layout, easy building space, rigid feel, good looks, and included fans. One Reddit user said they were happy with the case and got better thermals than their previous Fantex 500 Ash. That is not a small compliment. That is the case walking into the room and stealing someone's airflow girlfriend. But hold up, wait a minute. Something ain't perfect. Reddit users warn that budget cases with many pre-installed fans can sometimes come with cheap fans, noisy operation, weak static pressure, or messy daisy chain wiring. Another user noted the HYXN fan setup uses a 6-pin connection with adapters, which may confuse beginners. So yes, 7 fans sound amazing, but cable management may still attack you like a small electronic octopus. Final verdict: the HYXN H1 ATX case is a strong budget pick if you want airflow, glass, RGB, space, and modern ports without premium case pricing. But if you expect Lian Li level polish, whisper quiet fans, and perfect instructions, calm down, your wallet is not that rich today. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.